Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a keyboard shortcut so that you can run a specific macro whenever you press that keyboard shortcut. Okay, let's get started. Take a look at this workbook here. I have several macros in this workbook, and this workbook I'm using to send email. Okay, so whenever I run the macro named send email, it will automatically send a pre-written email through Outlook, and I need to create a keyboard shortcut. Okay, first click on the developer tab, and here if I click on macros, you can see all the macro list that I have created here. Okay, from here I have this macro which is send email. Now whenever I run this code, it will select the data from this list and it will send an automated email through Outlook. If you want me to create a tutorial on this, please let me know in the comment and I will show you how you can create a VBA so that you can send email automatically. Okay, it doesn't matter how long the list I have, I can send email through Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to make it faster. Select the macro you need to create a keyboard shortcut, then click on here options. Now here you can see shortcut key. This is where you assign the keyboard shortcut. Okay, so if I write here S, the keyboard shortcut will be Control S, and we already know Control S is for saving the workbook. But if I add the keyboard shortcut here, it will override that and it will send the email. But I don't want any overwriting, so I am not going to use Control S. Instead, I'm going to press Shift and then S. So the keyboard shortcut will be Control Shift S. Whenever I press Control Shift S, it will send the email. Okay, remember I have added Shift because there is no keyboard shortcut using Control and Shift. Okay, so most likely you won't overwrite any existing keyboard shortcut. This is why I have written it, and you can write the description here, but that is not our topics today. So our keyboard shortcut is ready. If I click OK and close this, we have already assigned a keyboard shortcut to a specific macro. Okay, let me test it. If I press the keyboard shortcut Control Shift and S, you see the macro has run. Okay, so it is asking for the data range. Let's select the data range, and if I click OK, it will open the Outlook and send email to this address and change the name here, and also which code I need. It will automatically find it and send it. Let's see it in action. So if I click OK, so the Outlook has opened, you can see, and the mail has been sent. So if I click on the Outlook here, in the outbox, this is the mail I just sent through Excel, and it is sending the email right now. You can see here sending message 1. It just sent it, and if I click on the sent item, and you can see this is the email I just sent. If I select here, you can see it has added the name here, it has added the specific code that I wanted, it's here, and also you can see the email address is this one that I just added. So if I go to that inbox, this is where I just sent a mail, and you can see this is the email, and if I click here, you can see the mail has been sent. And I have done that using a macro, and I just assigned a keyboard shortcut to that macro. Try it again, Control Shift S, and asking for the data range, select it. If I click OK, the mail is going to be sent. So this is how you can create a keyboard shortcut and assign it to any macro. Okay, and if you want to learn how to send email through Microsoft Excel, you can leave a comment and I'll try to create a tutorial on that topics. So thank you, thanks for watching, see you in the next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to set up Outlook, check out this video. Thank you, thanks for watching.